Easy to carry, tri-fold design is compact for storage, and 2 carrying handles makes fitness on the go convenient. Thick cushion, provides a cushioned, supportive surface for workouts, stretching, martial arts, or outdoor fitness routines. Joint protection, resilient foam interior keeps its shape for long-term usability, and protects knees, wrists, elbows, back. Durable, vinyl surface resists tearing or stretching and is easy to wipe clean. Great for stretching floor exercises. Waterproof. 3 color options, comes in blue, gray, and black. Dimensions: 72×24W by 1.5 T. Care: use light soap or water. Wipe the mat with a clean wet sponge or rag. Use soft dry cloth to remove any leftover residue. Air dry. ProsourceFit tri-fold folding exercise mats make various forms of training possible to do anywhere, anytime. Ideal for stretching, martial arts, yoga, gymnastics, and core and strengthening workouts. Top reviews from the United States. Great bedside runner rug for old feet. I am really glad I got this. I use it for stretching and the like, but since I am a bit older and have arthritis in my feet, I also keep it beside my bed, kind of as a runner rug type thing. It is awesome. I have all hardwood floors, and now that I am getting more creaky, walking on the wood hurts my feet. It is wonderful to step out of bed and onto this. I am thinking of ordering a second one to use for stretching, exercise, and just leaving this one beside the bed. My dog also loves rolling around on it.